Have you ever heard a pitter-patter sound of rain on the roof? Yes. What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? The sky covered with dark clouds and starts raining. So find out with these lines dreamed by the poet Skimmy. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. What do you like when it rains? Do you like to take some tea, coffee with hot dumplings? Yes, each and everyone wants a shelter, a cozy place when it rains. Wants to take a bath in rain also. Here poet also on his bed. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, जब काले गहरे पानी से भरे बादल काले तारों से भरे आकाश में आकर घिर जाते हैं. होवर मीन्स घिर जाना, कवर कर लेना स्काई को. एंड द मेलंकली डार्कनेस जेंटली वीप्स इन रेनी टीयर्स. मेलंकली सैडनेस, दुखी. डार्कनेस अंधेरा. डार्कनेस को हमेशा सैडनेस से कंपेयर किया जाता है. जो दुख से भरे डार्क क्लाउड्स जेंटली रेनी टीयर्स के साथ वीप्स आंसू बहाते हैं. हेयर रेनी टीयर्स इज़ अ मेटाफोरिकल यूज़ है. रेन को आंसुओं जैसा बताया गया है, मतलब दुख के आंसू. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed. Here poet says that he is very blissful, means lucky one who has a favorable shelter in this rain. He is in his cottage chamber. Poet अपने रूम में बेड पर लेटा हुआ है. कोजी एंड कंफर्टेबल प्लेस में इन अ गुड शेल्टर. ही इज़ द लकीएस्ट वन. पोएट खुद को खुशनसीब समझता है कि उसे आराम से घर में लेटकर बारिश की बूंदों का आनंद प्लेजर फील हो रहा है. And lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Here poet said that he is lying on his bed and listening the pitter-patter sound of rainfall on his roof. छत पर जब खपरेल या टाइलों के प्लेट बिछी होती है या फिर टिन शेड हो तो रेनफॉल साउंड ऐसा ही साउंड करता है. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart. Every tinkle means every short music of rainfall on the shingles means the tiles which used on the roof has an echo sound. एक तरह has an echo sound, एक तरह गूंज दिल में भर रही है. And 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. और हज़ारों यादें मन में उभर रही हैं और मन में उन यादों में मैं बिजी हो गया हूँ. And 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof, and numerous recollections of the memories started weaving into my mind their threads as in a weaving machine. पुरानी यादें in my mind बुननी शुरू हो गई हैं. As I listened to the patter of the rain upon the roof, here he recollecting his old memories during the rainy time and started thinking about and becomes busy into weaving like thread across the loom the weaving machine. Now in memory comes my mother as she used in years ago before, पहले, बहुत समय पहले. And the poet is busy in his childhood memories when his mother in his childhood always years ago used to do. So who comes in the memory and the poet's mother who is not alive in this world now, she is passed away. So poet says that to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. और मुझे सोने देती थी मेरी माँ, जगाती ही नहीं थी. इरे यानी बिफोर, टिल द डाउन सुबह होने तक वो मुझे जगाती नहीं थी, मुझे प्यार से सुलाती थी. ओ आई फील हर फॉन्ड लुक ऑन मी एज आई लिस्ट to this refrain. Here the poet exclaimed and filled with emotions and said that this refrain, repeated sound of rainfall as I list means listen, as I listen this repeated sound of rainfall on my roof, I feel her fond look on me. Means the poet becomes emotional and feels her mother affectionate look, motherly look on him, on his face. His memories, he memories the love of his mother and missing his mother this time, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Refrain explained by the poet, which repeating sound, the sound of rain, patter sound, rain falling sound on his roof tiles. It is playing on the roof and reproducing the melodious patter sound fantasy of the nature. This rain brings to the poet's mind the memories of his childhood and his mother's love, and he is this time missing her mother. Here, poet memories pop up in his mind. His mother leaves him to complete his dream. उसे सोने देती थी, जैसे आज हम भी सोचते हैं बच्चे की रेन हो रही है और स्कूल से छुट्टी मिल जाए तो कितना मज़ा आ जाए। तो यही सब यादें और चीज़ें। सो दिस इज़ द पोएम रेन ऑन द रूफ. होप यू विल get the help with this video, and with this I would like to wind up. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe with your kind support.